Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to use WeatherBug's lightning detection feature. So now let's get started. First of all, launch the WeatherBug application on your mobile device. Now on the main screen, tap the lightning icon at the bottom. It looks like a lightning bolt. Here, the map will display lightning strikes in real time with colored dots showing recent lightning activity. Use the zoom feature to focus on a specific area. You can toggle between different map views like radar, satellite for better context. To set alerts for lightning, tap the three lines at the top left corner and there tap on alert settings. Here you can customize lightning alerts to get notified when lightning is near your location. Stay safe with WeatherBug's lightning detection, keeping you updated on nearby lightning strikes in real time. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.